Welcome to Crypto Forks Explained. This video is for informational purposes only and is not investment advice. Today, we'll break down what blockchain forks are, exploring how these fundamental changes shape the evolution of digital currencies and their underlying networks. We'll dive into the core concept of forks, examine the two main types, hard forks and soft forks, with real-world examples like Bitcoin Cash and SegWit. Discuss the pros and cons, including cases like Ethereum Classic, and understand why these events are pivotal for the crypto ecosystem. At its core, a blockchain fork happens when the distributed ledger, the blockchain, splits into two distinct paths. Imagine a digital road that suddenly branches, creating two separate, yet related, versions of the network's history and future. This divergence can occur for various reasons, such as protocol upgrades to improve efficiency, bug fixes to address security vulnerabilities, or community disagreements over the direction of development, like debates on scalability solutions or transaction fees. Each path represents a different consensus on the blockchain's rules, fundamentally altering the network's trajectory and potentially leading to new cryptocurrencies or enhanced features in the original chain. There are two primary types of forks, hard forks and soft forks. A hard fork creates a permanent, incompatible divergence from the previous version of the blockchain, meaning nodes running the old software will not recognize blocks created by the new software, effectively splitting the network into two independent chains that cannot interoperate. A classic example is Bitcoin Cash, which emerged from a hard fork of Bitcoin in 2017, driven by differing views on block size limits. Bitcoin Cash increased the block size to 8 megabytes to allow more transactions per block and reduce fees, creating a separate currency. On the other hand, a soft fork is a backward-compatible change to the protocol, where nodes running the old software will still recognize blocks created by the new software as long as they adhere to the old rules, though full participation requires upgrading. SegWit, or Segregated Witness, implemented on the Bitcoin network in 2017 via a soft fork, separated signature data from transaction data to effectively increase block capacity to around 4 megabytes without a permanent split, improving scalability and reducing transaction malleability for better security. Forks, while complex, are crucial for innovation and evolution within the crypto space, enabling significant protocol upgrades like faster transaction processing, bug fixes to patch critical vulnerabilities, and the implementation of new features that enhance scalability, security, or functionality, such as privacy improvements or smart contract capabilities. However, they also introduce potential risks, including temporary network instability during the split, confusion among users about which chain to support, and even the devaluation of assets if the community fragments, leading to competing tokens with diluted value. The Ethereum Classic fork is a prime example. In 2016, following the DAO hack where $50 million worth of Ether was stolen, Ethereum underwent a contentious hard fork to reverse the theft and recover funds, but a portion of the community opposed the change on ideological grounds of immutability, resulting in Ethereum Classic as the unaltered original chain with its own governance and development path. Understanding these dynamics, including how forks reflect decentralized decision-making, is key to navigating the ever-changing landscape of digital assets. In conclusion, blockchain forks are powerful mechanisms for change, driving both innovation through necessary upgrades and potential challenges like community divisions within the cryptocurrency world. They highlight the decentralized and evolving nature of these digital networks, where consensus shapes the future. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered investment advice. Always conduct your own thorough research, consult professionals, and stay informed about specific projects before making any financial decisions.
If you want more crypto updates, market analysis, and breaking news, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications.